We're going to go on another little stealthy one. In fact, this one is going to be about 500 metres from the house, so it's going to be a little bit weird, but we're going to enjoy the night as usual. Let's just see what we get up to. So when I say 500 metres, that's why I'm not going to tell you exactly where I am, because then you'll know exactly where the spot is and you'll want to jump in it. This is camp for the night. Time to set up. Oh, hang on a sec. A little bit better, but it's too bright. Perfection. You see me? I don't think you can really. I know it looks fine out there, but it's nearly 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's 9:52. So I'm going to get myself. I've got one of these curry pot noodles. I love them, so I'm going to have one of them. But I'm going to try the iPhone because this still looks blurry. That's a tiny little bit better. Can't see for shit in front of me now. Yeah, so I'm going to cook myself up a nice, you know, the curries that I took on the coast to coast, and I cooked one of them up now, so they're really nice. We're going to chill out for a bit. So let's cook up. Right. I couldn't even use my flex towel. To pump up the airbed. It's just too loud. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to make my curry noodle. The aftertaste, oh my god, and the broth that comes with it. But anyway, let's get it on. It feels really weird. Just literally camped out 500 metres from the house. in a little wood. Just weird, man. I don't think I've actually ever camped out in a wood either. And these green curries, naked pig eat green curry, they're gorgeous. Look at that. Traditional KFS. Absolutely mega dark. Can't even see the sky, can you? But it's right. We have not got JD, but we have got Beckham's stuff, whatever that is. Haig, that's the one. Bottoms up. For the morning we have got 4 sausages to cook up with some mushrooms, tomatoes, onions, and I'm going to add a bit of apple to it because I think that'd be quite nice. But for now, I'm going to carry on finishing my juice. Oh, focus, 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 baby. Focus. Right, so for tomorrow morning, we're going to have a little good breakfast before we skedaddle out of here. Tonight I'm sleeping on the Trekology UL80. I'm in my pipe dream because I don't think it's going to be a cold night. Yeah, so anyway, good night. What it is, the best time for me is like in the morning, you know, when you can just chill out a bit and sort your shizzle out. Morning. 4:30. Tell you what, for spring it's freaking freezing. We're gonna gonna get myself a little fibre going. In about half hour, let's go back to bed. Morning. Right, let's rustle up a few sausages and a little bite to eat, shall we? Couldn't think of a better way to start a Sunday. Alright, nice bright morning. Looks like it's going to be a nice sunny day. So So I'm gonna have a brew, and then we're gonna get the hell out of here. Gonna bug out. Been a nice night, really. Yeah. Right, let's have a brew. Morning tea. It's going to be time to go back in a bit. Yeah, so it's, do you know what, I don't even know the time right now. I think it's about 6 o'clock. I've had a nice bit of sausage and veg. Kind of a nice night. Yes, I had this on last night. I sleep with it on, because it keeps the bugs from getting in your ears. I don't want to be the next one on Pimple Popper to have something pulled out of my ear. As you can see, where I was camped out last night. Da, 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 da. I'm not even going to say it because you know it by now. So let's chow down and get a move on and get a mosey on and have a walk back home. Let's go.